Hello and welcome to Mahindra Guru, and you're watching VDP of Maths. Today we are going to discuss the coordinate geometry part 4. Last time we discussed about the section formula or how we can calculate the internal division or the external division. Today we will discuss if we have given a triangle, or you can say the vertices of a triangle. There are various types of the center present there. So today we will discuss the very important, that is known as centroid. Firstly we will discuss what is centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle is the intersection of the medians, you can say, with all the medians intersect at a point, and this point is called the centroid of the triangle. So let us discuss. If we have given a triangle, you can say ABC. The first vertex is A, x1, y1, and this is B, x2, y2, and this is C, x3, y3. What I say, if we have given a triangle, there are three vertices A, B, C. So you can see this AD is a median, and this FB is also a median, and this EC is also a median. So the intersection of all the medians is known as the centroid of a triangle, that is called G. Right? So this G is the centroid of the triangle, and we have to find the coordinate of this point G. How we can calculate the coordinate of this point G? With the help of this formula. So what this formula exactly say? If we have given 3 point x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3, then the coordinate of this point G will be equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. This will give you the value of x. Similarly, this one, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, this will give you the value of y. So these x and y are the coordinate of the point G. So with the help of this formula, we can calculate the centroid of our triangle. Let us clear this centroid with an example. The example is the coordinate of the vertices of a triangle are 3, 4, 1, 2 and 5, 0. What we have to find? We have to find the coordinate of the centroid. And we already discussed what is centroid. Centroid is the intersection of the medians. Now you can see on the diagram, this is a first vertices, you can say this one A, 3, 4. This is the second vertices 1, 2, and this is the last one 5, 0. These three vertices we have given, and we have to find the coordinate of the centroid. So centroid will be the intersection of the medians, or you can say this point. So we have to find the value of this coordinate, or you can say this point. How we will find? As we already discussed, if we have to find the centroid of a triangle, we have a formula. What is the formula? Formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Similarly, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now you can see here x1 is 3, x2 is 1, and x3 is 5. Now putting the value of x1, x2 and x3, we will get 3 plus 1 plus 5 becomes 9 by 3. It will equal to 3. As it is, y1 plus y2 plus y3. Putting the value of y1 plus y2 plus y3, we will get 4 plus 2 plus 0 by 3. It will equal to 2. That means with the help of this formula, we can find out the coordinates of the centroid, and the coordinates of the centroid is 3 and 2. So we have discussed, if we have given the vertices of a triangle, how we can calculate the centroid of a triangle, or you can say in examinations, questions can be asked, if we have given a centroid, how we can calculate the vertices as well. So this is all about for today's VDP. Stay with us for more videos. At last, thank you. Your success is our success.